In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to access the region table view. The region table view is accessed the same way as the territory table and also the district table. And you'll only be able to access and view a region table view if you've created regions in your file. And in this file that you see here on the screen, I've imported a hierarchy already, so territories are now assigned to districts and districts to regions. And there are two ways that we can access the region table view. The first way is from the home menu. You click here on the Add View button, select Tables, and then you can select the region table view, and then it will appear on your screen. The second way is to open up a new tab by clicking on this plus button, select Tables from the left, and then you can select Regions, and it will bring you to that identical table view. Here, we will see all of our territory and district data summed up to the region level. We can also delete our regions by clicking on this checkbox and clicking on Delete Region. This will not delete your districts, territories, or accounts. It will strictly delete the region with those district to region assignments. We can also rename the ID and the name of each region by clicking on this row and typing in the new name of each one of the regions. You can also reassign different region managers to your regions by clicking on this drop-down menu here. Only the sales personnel that have the role of region manager will appear in this drop-down menu. So if you're wondering where some of your people are for your region assignments, you'll need to edit them in Edit Personnel and make sure to assign them the correct role. Then they'll appear in this drop-down menu. Let's now uncheck this row here. Moving down the line, we've got our visible section, and this means that these regions are currently visible on the map. So if we open up a region map view, like so, you can see all three regions are shown. Going back to our region table, I will deselect two of them from view, and now in the region map view, you'll see only that East region appears. The same will apply to any other map view. So if we go back to our territory alignment map, you will see that these territories are the only ones displayed on the screen because these are the ones that are assigned to that East region. And the same would apply at the district level, only the districts assigned to that region will appear. The rest of them are hidden from view. So let's go back to our region table, and from here we can also lock entire regions. When you lock a region, all those districts and territories will also be locked. So now let's make everything visible and look at our territory alignment map. So you can see here all of the central and west areas are still unlocked, but every territory that is assigned to the East region has a lock on it. And the same applies to the district map view. All those districts assigned to the East region have locks on them. Let's go back to our region table. And here we have the span of control section. So under districts, we see how many districts are assigned to each region, and then how many territories are assigned to each region. We then have a calculation for the total area and a measure for compactness. And here on the right side, we have all of our data sets summed up to the region level, including a count of all those account segments that are found in each region. We can edit what we see here in this table by clicking on Edit Columns, and you can remove some columns from view. Removing columns from view will not delete any of your data, it's simply hiding that data column. You can also reorganize the columns here in this table by clicking on which one you want to move and moving it with the up-down arrows like so. So let's click here on OK. And there you go. You just learned how to use the region table view here in AlignMix.